Moving offices? It's exciting, but it can also be a nightmare if IT isn't part of the plan. Too often, businesses think about technology after construction is done, which leads to tons of stress and costly downtime, not to mention delays. Here's what usually goes wrong. Internet and phone systems aren't ready on day one, so employees walk into a dead office. Moving servers without a plan risks data loss. Security is overlooked, leaving gaps from the very start. Multiple vendors work independently and fail to communicate with one another, causing chaos. And your in-house team? They're buried under their normal workload plus the move. This is where our expertise comes in. We plan out your IT and cabling blueprint before walls go up. Make sure internet and phones are plug and play. Plan your server migration, coordinate all vendors, and build security into the process from the start.
Best of all, we're on site during move-in, supporting your team and ensuring everything works.
With the right partner, your office migration can be seamless, not stressful. Reach out today if you're in need of a helping hand. Thanks.